Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect a landline phone to an Xfinity modem. First, locate the port on the back of your Xfinity modem. Look for the port labeled Tel1 or Tel1 Voice. This is where your phone will connect. Make sure the modem is plugged in and powered on before you start. Next, take your telephone cable. One end of the cable goes into the base of your landline phone. The other end will go into the Tel1 port on the modem. Push the cable in gently until it clicks into place. Make sure both ends are secure. If this is a new service, you may need to activate it before your phone will work. You can do this using the Xfinity app on your phone or tablet. Open the app and follow the instructions for activating voice service. If you prefer, you can call Xfinity customer service to activate the service over the phone. Once your service is active, check for a dial tone. Pick up your phone and listen. A solid white or green light on the modem usually means it is online and ready. Thanks for watching.